My name is Subhash Motwani and I'm Director of Compact Travels, and we run a customized holiday travel company, and we are developing a series of websites with the brand name of Namaste Tourism, and we are in the city of Mumbai. We thought of partnering with ISEC because we were wanting to get international interns coming and working with us to have an international perspective in our organization, since we promote outbound tours. Well, this experiment we started last year when we sent them a request for one trainee to work in our organization, and I found that they were coordinating things really very smoothly. They send us CVs of potential candidates which will meet our profile, and we hired a trainee, the first one for 9 months duration, starting last August or September. So it has been overall a pretty good experience. The added value of ISEC that I see is they are able to assist us with the right kind of trainees uh, who can be part of our organization and help us develop our future projects. Importantly, they also give an interesting exposure to the trainees who come here from different countries, because one of the apprehensions that international students have is coming to a country like India, a bustling city like Mumbai. So far, since we've just had one trainee, everything has gone smooth. As far as I know, I don't think so. There has been any serious concerns or problems which the trainee has faced, or even we have faced as an organization. So it's been pretty smooth going. With ISEC, I think so. They organized one event very recently. I don't recall the name. It was at Kalagoda. It was a very good initiative on part of ISEC to call some mentors and people who encourage ISEC as an initiative, and have some speaker session interaction of students and trainees and the corporate world, so that each of them understands the needs and demands of how individuals can be trained to be successful uh, individuals in the near future. Definitely, I would recommend other organizations to consider ISEC as a partner for providing international interns. Importantly, it's for the organization, they need to really understand how they can put across to ISEC what kind of trainees they need, what are the requirements, and if they fit the trainee into the right kind of job profile, I'm sure it will be a win-win situation for ISEC and the organization as well.